up, my peeps?
What's up?
Yeah, today I'm with my best friend fuzzpop399 again. Yeah, and so today we are going to be doing who can make the better look challenge with different animals. So it's not going to be themed or anything, it's just who's going to make the better look. And you guys are going to comment down below who you think won the first, second, third round.
And the bonus round.
Yeah, the bonus round counts for 2 points. So we are going to be starting. So the first animal we're using is the Arctic wolf. So let's get. Yeah, cause.
So we have to start.
Yeah, so let's get to it.
Let's just explain the rules.
Oh yeah.
We should explain the rules. Okay, so you're allowed to go shopping.
Yeah, you're allowed to shop.
You're allowed to shop at Diamonds or anywhere.
Yeah.
How many minutes should we do for each one?
We should do 5 minutes for each one.
Okay. What else?
How about
what about no pets?
Yeah, no pets.
You gotta get your pet off here.
Dang it. But I like my pet. It's a rare pet.
Who cares? You gotta get it off.
Fizzy Crystal is my rare pet.
You can put it back on after the challenge.
Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna X and sit again. There we go.
Alright.
There he's gone. So let's get started. Yeah, whatever. Okay. I cannot tell her what I'm doing.
Timer.
Oh yeah, I gotta set the timer first. So I'll be right back when I get the timer almost set. Ready. Guys, so we're just going to do 3 minutes each instead of 5 because I can only record up to 15. And for the bonus round, we're going to do 1 minute to make the best look. So I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1. Started. Oh my gosh. I'm making a basic look. Everybody does this look. Well, I want to make mine kind of unique, so I'll change it up.
On a spike. I think I'm gonna do a spike for every look of it. Yes. This is gonna look
That looks good. Yeah. And now we just gotta change the tail.
I wish you guys could see what I'm doing.
We'll get to see what you do
Maybe
at
on
the
the
end.
next video we could use my screen.
Yes, you can.
This look doesn't look good. Maybe I should change my head item.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm just waiting for you.
Should I do headphones or sunglasses?
Headphones.
Okay. I'm finished. Is the timer up yet?
No.
Kirsten, I can't see your look.
I know. I haven't clicked X yet. Let's see what the timer's at. It's at 1 minute and 53 seconds.
Do a little bit more.
Yes. Make sure you use.
I'm gonna do a pattern, so I'm just gonna.
I already did my pattern. Make sure you use all the items that you're supposed to use on an animal, like the tail, the feet item, the back item.
That might get you extra points.
Yeah, it will give you 0.2 points. 0.2 point of a point. So yeah, and so yeah. Tell me I'm ready, so I'm just gonna click X.
I think I'm ready now. I like this. Should have probably done a black look, but I decided purple for this round.
Okay, so we each did the look, and let's see what the time is at. Still at 1 minute, so we'll just reset it already.
We can wait.
Nope. We'll reset it, and so let's see. You guys comment down below who had the better look. Her purple look, like this purple look, or my look.
Kirsten's look is better for the first round.
Just type in Kirsten80 in the comments.
Kirsten80, first round.
Yeah, and for her look for the first round, type in fuzzpop399, first round. So let's get on to the next round.
Alright, next round we're going to be doing an Arctic wolf. Arctic fox.
Arctic fox, okay.
So we gotta make our Arctic fox all white.
I'll use this one.
So I gotta sweep. Wait, I think I might have one that's already plain. And grab that one instead of using this. Remember, no pets.
Okay.
Wait, should we be able to use pets in the bonus round?
Yes, in the bonus round you can use pets.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. This one. I'm gonna use this artifact. Making it all white.
Turn that way, and then clear the animal. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready.
Let's.
Your
Okay.
pattern is still showing.
I know. Okay, I'm starting in 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Go!
Okay, so
Take a look.
I think I might actually use all the time this time.
I know what I'm gonna do.
I don't. I just recently got this long blanket. Maybe. I don't want to be normal.
Where is that thing?
People who use spikes. Oh my gosh, I would need your magenta spike for this. Oh my gosh, this
No,
looks
you
horrible.
can't use my magenta spike.
I know. Oh yes, that looks good. Okay, that. I want to be a fancy person. That doesn't match. Black. That looks good.
Warm blanket. That's my
No. Red. And
ice gauntlets.
oh, there's black. Okay, so I'm just
And then
gonna.
my tail is gonna be an ice tail armor. I'm ready, Kirsten. Why is my pattern orange? I put it on new. The pattern's new. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so I am ready. I think. Good. I'm just gonna check every thing to make sure I think
You
of
know what, I
it.
might have a better bow, actually. No, that's the best one I got.
I think I'm good. Let's see how much time we have left. We have 1 minute and 27 seconds. Maybe we should just do 2 minutes for the next one.
No, we'll just do 3 minutes just in case.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we got 1 minute for the bonus round. Oh, that's a cool look. I did like an ice look.
I
I
did.
think I might get voted for on this one.
Okay, so I did this magenta top hat with my magenta fur, black fur, and gray fur, with my white Jamalade bow and these black ribbon tails, and some black elf bracelets. And you did the blue, light blue boa, the diamond bow, the ice tail armor, and the ice gauntlets. So comment down below, fuzzpop399, round 2 for her to win, for her, or Kirsten 80 second round for you to vote for me. So yeah, let's get on to the next round. And the next round is
A red panda.
Red
We are
Panda.
using a Red panda.
Red Panda. My red panda.
What should I use? I'll just use this one. I only have 2 red pandas.
I don't have that many. I only have 1. Oh my gosh. I love my red panda look though. I wish I didn't have to destroy this look.
Oh,
Oh, that was your
I
timer.
forgot to reset the timer.
Oops. Okay. It's gonna reset. I just gotta turn mine white now. White. And take off all of this, and I'm ready.
Alright, I'm ready too.
I'll start the timer. Oh, no. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I already have in mind what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do the exact same look that I had.
The exact same look that I had.
Maybe.
Is this look good on it? Ew, that looks disgusting. Ooh, that might look cute. No, I think we'll just stick with something else for now. Let's see what color socks I
I'm
have.
doing a Christmas themed look.
Oh dang, I don't have any socks to match any of my sticks.
I don't like these slippers.
Oh yeah, I forgot we can go into the shop.
Yeah, we're allowed to shop, but I haven't shopped yet at all.
This is my first time shopping. I need a cute head item. No, if that had the right pink, I would use that. I've never used that item before. I don't think I will ever use it.
Alright, I'm ready, Kirsten.
I'm getting the.
Christmas-themed look. I look cute.
Does that go on it? No. What about that? No. I don't really like much on this thing. That looks funny. Okay. Maybe this. Oh, I like yours. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Now I just gotta do my colors. I'll do the darker brown, the lighter brown, and the pink.
So, as you guys know, in the bonus round, we are allowed to use our Snowflake Arctic Wolf. We're allowed to use pets.
And
we only get 1 minute though.
Yeah, 1 minute.
We get 1 minute.
Let's see what the timer's at. The timer is at 1 minute and 2 seconds. So let's click stop and comment down below. Kirsten 80, third round if you want me to win.
Oh, and the bonus round is also worth 2 points.
2 points. And put fuzzpop399 second, third round for her to win. Okay, so let's get on to the bonus round. Let me change the timer up.
Alright, let's get into our Snowflake Arctic Wolves. And make them all white. Where is my computer? Arctic Wolf, where is it? I can't find it. Oh, I found it.
My Snowflake Arctic Wolf is already white.
Mine is pink.
I don't think I'll have time to do the pet because it's only 1 minute.
We don't get to start with the pets. Three.
Yeah. Wait, no. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh, come on. This. I know exactly what I'm doing. Wait, I forgot to do my pet.
I'm gonna do my pets while I stop.
Pets. Let's see. Pet. Come on, load. Which pet would match?
This one.
This one matches
Kitty cat.
everything.
My pet's name is Kitty Cat.
Okay, let's see how much time we have. Like, both of us rushed.
We're allowed to decorate our pets. I'm gonna try that.
Oh!
I just clicked on pet stop. I'm getting out of pet stop. Leave pet stop.
Okay, so comment down below Kirsten 80 bonus round to vote for me, or fuzzpop399 bonus round to vote for her. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Goodbye.